What a place. Gotta wait for the boat to drift back over the camera. Oh, I love that.
Are you sure? I can pull this out.
Okay, go ahead. Hey, there you go. Now give it a good rev. Rev it up. There you go. We are gonna get a little bit of drone footage today. It's just a nice gentle breeze and a beautiful sky. So I'm gonna take the boat out for a little quick sail while Kenzie motors ashore and launches the drone to try and get some footage of us sailing. So it's gonna be sweet.
Oh,
it's still there.
I don't want to get my feet wet again. Oh, I flipped it over. See this starfish I found?
Yeah, that's nice.
He's spiky.
Yeah, he is, huh?
They're really pokey.
Yeah. to keep you from hurting him.
I didn't know starfish were pokey.
Yeah, some of them are, huh? That's fun, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, so we just moved a little bit further south on Great Guana Cay. We found a nice little beach and anchored the boat right out there. And right now we're on an exploration. We're gonna try getting from this beach over to the other side of the island. We can see waves crashing on the other side, so we're hoping it's gonna be good.
I think it's a piece of a coconut or a palm tree.
It looks like fuzzy shorts. Look.
Fuzzy shorts?
Yeah.
What's fuzzy shorts?
Maybe shorts.
That's funny.
Woo! Are there spiders here?
No. No spiders.
Oh, look at this marker. Ow. I thought it was foam. It's like tetherball. That hurt.
Did you get a spider on you?
I think so, on my leg right here. I kind of freaked out a little. Now this is creepy.
That shoe's creepy.
Try to hold that one. Oh, that's so close.
How's it coming, Kenzie?
It's good, I think. Ah! No?
It's good, huh? It's pretty good looking.
Ah! My knee flared up again.
And the trail's a little
And now it's a scratchy part. I can't just drag my foot through it. It's really hard to bend my knee. These are cool rocks.
This is where we could see the waves crashing from on the other side of the island. From the raised viewpoint here, you can see where we started hiking from at the beach, and you can see yesterday's anchorage where we flew the drone. We watched a surprising number of sailboats on the windward horizon as well, heading north and south. We've had such a great day today, swimming, sailing in the gentle breeze with the drone, and finally enjoying a nice hike across the island to a beautiful view. We feel like we are on the edge of the world out here on Great Guana Cay. It's just such an incredible remote place that we would never have been able to experience without traveling on our boat in this simple and natural way.
Oh, are you videoing?
Yeah.
Alright. So just over there you can see the top of our mast. Oh, look over there, you can see our mast.
3, 2, 1.
Give it a go.
3, 2, 1.
Randall, over there you can see our mast.
All right, we are at, what key are we at?